Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to customize error bar of chart in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Now I am create a bar chart. Click and drag on our mouse to select the data. Go to the insert menu. Select the recommended chart option and go to the all chart. Now I am select the bar and choose the bar chart. Now I am click OK option. Now we want to add or customize the error bar. Select the chart and go to the change chart design menu. Select the add element option and select the error bar. You can add the error bar, standard error, otherwise the percentage error or the standard deviation. Now I am select the percentage. You want to customize this, go back again and change the error bar position. Now we can see we customize error bar of the bar chart easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.